everyone needs to have their name printed at the top or bottom of their papers whenever they send them to the copy room. So this is how you do that if you're not sure. I'm going to go to the Start button, Devices and Printers, Copy Room, right-click. I'm going to go to Printing Preferences. Then I look at the top, Page Setup. Now that I'm in Page Setup, I'm going to go towards the bottom to Page Options. And this is where it says Print Username. And you can choose upper left, upper middle, right, left, however you like it. I like it in the upper right. If you want to get fancy, you can go to Format Settings. And you can change your font, the style, the size, and of course the only color available is black at the copy room. You click OK when you are finished choosing everything. Another big step is make sure Apply is selected. If I were to change something, I'm just going to show you real quick if I made it 12. You have to click Apply for it to save the changes.